The RedMagic 11 Pro has officially arrived, and if you're a mobile gamer, this might just be the phone you've been waiting for. Nubia's RedMagic series has always been at the top of the gaming smartphone market, delivering raw power, advanced cooling, and features designed specifically for gamers. But with the RedMagic 11 Pro, things go to an entirely new level, combining gaming performance with premium design and flagship features. Let's start with the performance, because that's the heart of every gaming phone. The RedMagic 11 Pro is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, or Snapdragon 8 Elite, chipset, built on the cutting-edge 3nm architecture. This processor delivers blazing fast speeds, console-grade graphics, and incredible AI enhancements, ensuring smooth gameplay even in the most demanding titles like Genshin Impact, PUBG Mobile, or Call of Duty Mobile. Paired with up to 16 GB or even 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, the RedMagic 11 Pro is built to handle anything you throw at it, from gaming marathons to 8K video recording. Moving to the display, the RedMagic 11 Pro features a 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with 1.5K or 2K resolution, supporting a refresh rate up to 165 Hz. That's ultra-smooth motion for gaming, scrolling, and everyday use. With a 720 Hz touch sampling rate, your inputs are registered instantly, giving you a real competitive edge in online matches. Add HDR10+ and ultra-high brightness, and you get not just a gaming display, but also a fantastic panel for watching movies or creating content. But all this raw power requires serious cooling technology, and Nubia never disappoints in this area. The RedMagic 11 Pro comes with the brand's signature ICE cooling system, featuring a built-in turbofan, liquid cooling chambers, and advanced heat dissipation layers. This ensures the phone stays cool during extended gaming sessions, reducing throttling and maintaining peak performance. And yes, the fan even has RGB lighting, adding that gamer aesthetic to your device. On the battery front, the RedMagic 11 Pro packs a 6000 mAh+ high-capacity battery, designed to keep you going for hours of non-stop gameplay. And when it's time to recharge, you'll get fast charging speeds up to 120W or even 165W, depending on the region. This means you can go from 0 to 100% in under 20 minutes, so you spend less time waiting and more time gaming. Cameras are not the primary focus of a gaming phone, but Nubia still delivers a respectable triple camera setup. Expect a 50MP main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a macro or depth sensor, alongside a 16MP front-facing camera for selfies and live streaming. While this camera system may not beat the likes of Samsung or iPhone flagships, it's more than capable for everyday photography and content creation. Now let's talk about gaming features, because this is where the RedMagic 11 Pro really shines. The phone includes dedicated shoulder triggers with a 520 Hz touch response, customizable game modes, and the RedMagic Gaming UI that allows you to fine-tune performance, graphics, and cooling for each game. There's also enhanced haptic feedback, DTS, X Ultra 3D surround sound, and dual stereo speakers, making gaming more immersive than ever. On the software side, the RedMagic 11 Pro runs on Android 15 with RedMagic OS on top, optimized for gaming with minimal bloatware and maximum speed. It also comes with advanced features like game recording, live streaming integration, and performance monitoring tools, giving gamers everything they need right out of the box. When it comes to design, the RedMagic 11 Pro continues the series' tradition of bold gamer aesthetics. Expect RGB lighting, transparent or cyberpunk-style editions, and sleek builds that make the device stand out instantly. The cooling vent and fan design also add to the futuristic look, making this phone not just powerful, but also stylish in a true gaming sense. The RedMagic 11 Pro is expected to launch globally in late 2025, with initial availability in China followed by Europe, India, and other international markets. As for the price, Nubia usually keeps things competitive, meaning this device will likely undercut big flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or iPhone 17 Pro Max, making it a true value-for-money gaming flagship. The RedMagic 11 Pro is not just another gaming phone, it's a complete powerhouse designed to deliver the ultimate mobile gaming experience. With its Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, 165Hz AMOLED display, advanced cooling system, massive battery with ultra-fast charging, and gaming-centric features, this phone is built to dominate. Whether you're a casual player or a competitive gamer, the RedMagic 11 Pro is one of the strongest contenders in 2025's gaming smartphone lineup.